Hi everyone! So I wanted to share with you guys what all I've done with my design team box from Happy Crafter Shop. You can go shop at happycraftershop.com. You can check out her Instagram at Happy Crafter Shop. Her personal one is happycrafter_Lisa. And then you can go check out her YouTube channel. So there's all the info right there. So I'm going to share with you guys what I've done, and then we're going to be making a chunky charm. So let me show you. I still have a ton of stuff left. Like, there's so much variety in her shop. I still have a bunch of items left that I can play with, including this little ready-to-be dangle right here that I love, but I just need to pull out some of my black. I think I'm going to do this into like a Jack Skellington, so I might put like a little Jack sticker on here because I think that'd be really cute. But let's focus on like the Valentine's Day themed stuff. Oh, and look, I still have not even tapped into my little shaker balls. Oh my gosh, I love these. I went and I bought the gold ones because I love these so much. So definitely going to use those for shakers in the very soon future right here. So let's get started. I made this candy cane. As soon as I saw these red and white frosted beads, I'm like, I need to do a candy cane. I love making them. I love how this one came out. So we got that guy. I have done several Pokie tools here. Like, this one is all beads from her shop. And all of this is beads from her shops. I use very minimal, like just the little rhinestone spacers and these little gold spacers. And then here is another one that is all done as well. And just using very minimal stuff from my supply. See, look, all these beads right here are from hers. All these red and pink ones are from her shop. Here's another one. So I got 2, 4, 5 Pokie tools. And then I did some beadable pins. I think this one right here is my favorite with all of the different colored hearts. I love that one. So I got 3 beadable pins. And I did these little charms on camera yesterday. So you guys can go check out that video. So she sent some flat back little heart cabochons. And then I added this little clear bail on top to make them into charms. So we're going to be using those today. And then let's see. Oh my gosh, I have more stuff over here. We have all of these long charms, which I did do a tutorial on how to make these in one of the videos. This one I even included a little dangle down here, which I'm going to be adding these on there as well. So these are all ready to go so I can use. And then here are just a bunch of little charms that I have all ready to go. So I could just go ahead and put them on any little project that I need to. Like, look at this one. I love how sweet and dainty that looks. And then look, here's like one of those little candy. I thought this looked like candy. Like the little wrapper on the ball. So, yes, there is everything I've got done so far. Like I said, that's a lot. And there's still a ton I can still use. So, I'm just so amazed by everything. Everything just coordinates so beautifully. So, today I'm going to be doing a chunky charm out of one of the ready-to-bead dangles that she sent me. So this is it right here. Look at how pretty. I'm not sure if you can see that it actually has like glitter built into it. So we are going to be using that one today. And we're going to use some of these hearts, and some of them like I already wrapped. So you can see right here. And then some we will do on camera just so I can show you guys really quickly how we are going to wire wrap everything. Okay, so for wire wrapping, it's really simple the way that I do it. I call it my easy way, where you just like roll it down. So I always put some kind of like a little stopper at the bottom. Today I'm going to use these itty bitty little rhinestone. And then I'm going to go ahead and put a little pearl. And then I think I'll put another little tiny rhinestone. And then I'll put the bead that came from her shop. See, that looks cute. And then we're going to take our round nose pliers. We're going to go to the edge of the wire. And we're just going to go ahead and roll that down. That way it's just easier. So So there we have our first little bead. And then like I said, I already had these done. And then I'll do another one with you guys. And then I'm going to just go ahead and put these together really quickly. I love these little gold balls. So I'll do like a little gold ball. And the reason why I put something small at the bottom is because some of these holes are larger, which is great because they fit on those Pokie tools and those beadable pins. But they are a little too large for my head pin that they will fall through. So I have to make sure that I put something just to go ahead and catch them. So that's why I put, you know, like a seed bead or, you know, a little spacer down at the bottom. So that way I know it's not going to go ahead and fall off. So we'll do something like that. And then we're going to do the same thing. Go to the edge of the wire and just roll that wire on down like that. So, I mean, we could start building, but I do have more here that I pulled out. But what I do when I am building my checking charms is I start at the top and I work my way down. And then I'll go ahead and I'll put a charm on every other link and then zigzag it. So like left, right, left, right, left, right. So I'll show you guys right now what I'm talking about. So let me just dump some of those out right there. And then, okay, sorry, last minute I decided to zoom you guys in. So you're going to find the opening of your jump ring. And then you're going to take 2 pliers and you're going to twist them apart. So just like that, twist them apart. Don't pull them because it's going to ruin your circle shape. And then, like I said, I'll start at the top. So I'm going to put that through the first little link right there. Then I'll just go ahead and I'll add my little charm. I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to close that off. And then I'm going to go 1 or 2 links down and then on the opposite side. So we're going to do this again of opening our jump ring. Let's see where our last charm was. So it's right there. So I'm going to go to this one down. And then I'm going to go ahead and add my little charm. And then again, we're going to twist that off. Well, if I didn't drop it, we would have twisted it off. Okay, let's try that again. So we're going to do that all the way down, and then I'll come back and I'll show you guys what it looks like once I get everything back together here. Alright guys, so here it is all together. I know I did add this on in the video, but I decided to take it off because I realized I didn't have any that were already done in red. So I do have a couple of extra little beads right here still left over. But I'm going to leave my little chunky charm as it is. I think it looks so pretty. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys have any questions, leave a comment down below. Please go check out Happy Crafter Shop and be sure to use coupon code VAGABOND10 to save 10% off your order. Bye guys!